Hi, this is Richie from Crazy Rides Inc. And I'm here today to review another product that I just received in the mail. I want to do a shout out to Sarah. Thank you for being part of our YouTube channel and supplying us with products that we can review and install. So this here is very unique. It's brand new. It just came on the market, and it's probably something that you would think it would represent the new style of the fairing that is now in 2024. So it's a light kit. And it actually reminds me of the new cars and the directionals that they have. There's like a halo around it, and it's the directional and the running lights. So without further ado, I am going to open up this package and we're going to see what we have in here. So first of all, it's packaged pretty good. It's packaged very good, foamed, and then it has the blister wrap around it. So we'll move this over, and I'm going to pull out. They come in two, and they are for the Road Glide 2015 to 2023. So what do we have here? You might be saying. This is the product. Okay, so does everybody that has a Road Glide know where this goes? Obviously, it goes in the vents. And it has a honeycomb screen. It fills the full vent. This is the light that will run white, and when you put the turn signals on, it will change to amber. Very nice product. It's in smoke. Very well made. Plug and play. So you'll have no problems wiring anything up. So this would be the way it would go. This is the right side. Let's see what the left side looks like. Obviously, it should be the same, only on the opposite side. Duh. So here is the left side. Same quality, has the honeycomb grill. Very nice, plug and play. You will need on your headlight, if you replaced the end caps with fangs or other lights on the headlight itself, on the ends, you will need that piece again, because that piece will get put back on and this will get screwed into it, here and here. So you will need to purchase, or if you, like me, always hold on to things, take it out of your boxes or your junk drawer and replace it on your headlight so you can mount these. Comes with a full instructions on how to do this. The instructions are right here. It has some hold downs for the wires. It has the screws for that piece I had told you about that you have to screw it into. And some tie downs. Very nice, very well made. When you place them on your bike, this is what it'll look like. Your headlight will be in the middle, and these will be on the end. beautiful item, well lit, will light up very well, give you that extra light that you're looking for. We will have a link on our site, and just drop down so you can purchase these yourself. They're reasonably priced. I also want to send out a thank you to everyone that attended our event this month. So we have another one coming up, and that's April 27th. It'll be in Wellington, same place, 1400 Corporate Circle Way. That's Wellington, Florida. Here is the flyer. It's tentative now because we have other sponsors coming on board. And I just want to thank everyone that was there. It turned out to be a great event. I want to thank everyone that's also subscribing to our station, leaving comments, and just supporting us. So this is Richie from Crazy Rides Inc. Again, this is the new product that we have for your vents on each side of your headlight. And again, the link will be posted. You can go on it, drop down, and purchase it yourself. Leave a comment. Let me know how I'm doing. Thank you. Crazy Rides Inc. signing off.